Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display WooCommerce product in grid layout with multiple preset design in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to use this plugin, essential add-ons for Elementor. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and refresh the page, and after that now you see search widget. So right here Woo product, now you see Woo product grid, so drag and drop here. When you install this plugin, now on left side you see add-ons, so click on it and then you see multiple options. Now you see elements, so we are in elements. Now you see again multiple options, so you can enable WooCommerce product grids or you can enable all WooCommerce elements from here. Now scroll down, now you see WooCommerce element we enable. We are using this Woo product grid, so we already enable this. Now you see after enabling, then click on save changes. Now go to website page again, so we added Woo product grid. Now you see layout grid, you see multiple option list, masonry, and then you see style preset. So this is default simple. Now you see reveal style. Now select. Now you see button appear on hover. We select preset 5. When we hover on it, then you see add to cart. Now preset 7, but we select simple style, so you can select any style. And then you see column for desktop, so you can set column for desktop, tablet and mobile. We select 4. If you want, you can show badge. And then you see query, so click on it. Now you see source product, recent product, so you can select option according to requirement, order by date, product count 4. If you want, you can display all product, like we are going to display 8. We set column 4. Now you see 8. And then you see product status, publish, pending review, schedule. Now you see product categories, tags, exclude product, exclude category, out of stock, show, on sale. You see multiple options. If you want, you can enable or disable product rating, sold count, product price. If you want, you can enable product compare, so it's up to you. When we enable it, now you see compare functionality. Now go to image. If you have gallery for product, then you can enable this option. Now you see we have secondary image for this product but not for this, so it's up to you. And then you see sale, stock out badge, preset, add to cart, custom text. If you want, you can add load more. Now you see button, and then you see infinity scroll, load more. Now you see button show, product compare, and then you see table setting. So this is our table setting for compare product. Now go to style, so you can do styling according to requirement. Now you see alignment, content, background color. You see multiple option, color and typography you can set, add to cart, badges, load more. So you can do styling according to requirement, and then click on publish. So after that, WooCommerce product grid with multiple design added in your Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.